Good morning, children. How are you? All are well? All are safe at home? Are you going outside? No, you should not go outside. Stay in your house. Stay safe. Okay, children? Today I am going to explain about fifth lesson. Okay? What is the fifth lesson name? You have to say. Where are you staying now? In your house. Yes? So today our topic is houses we live in. Okay, where we are now living in our houses. Okay, so today our lesson is house. Houses we live in. See, what is the lesson name? Houses we live in. Okay, children? So, do you know where we are all living daily? In our houses only. Okay. House is a place where we live with our family. Okay. With whom you are living, with your mother, with your father, with your brother, sister, all together living in a place is a home. Okay, children. Home is a place, it gives us shelter as well as safety. Okay. A house protects us from animals, thieves, heat, cold, rain. Okay, children? House gives us shelter and safety. Okay. House is a place where we live with our family. It protects us from heat, cold, rain and animals, thieves. Okay. Rain and animals. Okay, children. What is a house? It gives us shelter and safety. House is a place where we live with our family. Where we are living with a family, it is called a home. Okay. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, animals and thieves. Thieves, why it is protecting us from thieves? In our house we have money, we have valuable things. So if we keep outside without a home, if we sit under the tree and we keep all the money and the valuable things, gold, everything, the thief will come and he will take away. Yes or no? So if we keep in our house, it is protecting from the thieves. Okay. If it is raining, we don't have a house, we are outside. So if rain will come, what happens? We totally become wet and we have fever, cold, everything. Yes or no? So in this way, house is protecting us from all the type of natural calamities. Okay, what are natural calamities? This heat, cold, rain, storm. Okay, children, these animals and thieves also. If tiger is there, tiger came. If we are under the tree, tiger will come and it will eat us. If we are inside the house, the tiger will come into our house? No. So, house is also protecting us from animals. Okay, children, do you understand these 3 points? Now, in house, our second topic is types of houses. Okay, children, what is our second topic? Types of houses. How many types of houses are there? Two types. Kacha house and Pakka house. Okay children. How many types of houses are there? Two types. First one is Kacha house. Second one is Pakka house. Okay. Temporary house. Pakka house is also called as permanent house. What is the difference between temporary and permanent? Permanent means it will not breakable. It will not harm anything. If storm will come, it will not break. Okay. If temporary house means if storms will come, if rains will come. Okay. What happens to this house? It will break into pieces. Okay children. The house will be collapse totally. Again we have to construct a new house. That is the difference between Kacha house and Pakka house. Okay children. How many types of houses are there? Two types. First one is Kacha house. Second one is Pakka house. Okay. Kacha house is also called as temporary house. Okay. Pakka house is also called as permanent. Okay. Keep like this. P. Pakka, permanent. Kacha, temporary. It will be breakable. It will be destroyed. It will be not there. If rain will come, if storm will come, if cyclone will come, the houses will break into pieces. It's collapsed totally. Again we have to construct a new house. Okay. If Pakka house. Examples. Now I give examples for both of them. Okay. Kacha houses. Tent. Tent is temporary, no? Yes or no? So we can keep here and we can go from one place to another, and there also we can keep one tent. Next, caravan. Okay children. And houseboat. Okay. And hut also. Hut is also a temporary house. If rain will come, hut will go, no? Disappear totally? Yes. Again we have to construct a new hut. Okay. Pakka house means buildings, apartments, independent houses. These all are permanent house. If rain will come, building will disappear, apartment will disappear. No, it is very strong. That's why it is called permanent house and Pakka house. Okay. So temporary houses means, what are the examples? See here. Read with me. Tent, caravan, houseboat, hut. These are the examples of temporary house or Kacha house. Okay children. So what is the other name for Kacha house? Temporary house. Okay. What is the other name for permanent house? Pakka house. Okay children. What are the examples of a Kacha house? Hut, houseboat, caravan, tent. Okay. So who will maintain all this? The people who are going one place to another place, they will use this tent, caravan, houseboat, hut. Okay. So they are those who are in permanent place, they will construct buildings and apartments. Okay. Can we take apartment from one place to another? No. But we can take this tent to one place to another. Okay children? Kacha house. People who move from one place to another place. Okay. What are the examples of houses? Tent, caravan, houseboat. If we are in Hyderabad, we can place the tent in Hyderabad. So if you are going to Secunderabad, you can fold the tent in the back. Again, you can keep the tent in the Secunderabad also. Caravan also. What is the other name for caravan? Home on wheels. Okay. What is the other name of caravan? Home on wheels. So it can move from one place to another place, just like vehicle, car. Okay. So kacha house. Who will use these kacha houses? Mainly the people who are moving one place to another place. Okay. Those who are not living in a permanent place, they will use this tent, caravan, houseboat. Okay. Where we can see this kacha house? Where? In which place? Mostly in villages. In villages only we can see hut. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. In cities we can see what we can see? Apartments. Okay. So these are kacha. These are pakka. Where we can see pakka houses? In cities. Okay. Where we can see kacha houses? Where we can see huts? In villages. Okay. In villages we can see huts mostly. Okay. But in cities we can see only apartments, buildings, multi-stored houses, everything. Okay children, do you understand the difference between kacha house and pakka house? Okay. Now we will move to another topic now. Okay children? Of temporary houses. Come on, anyone say? Yes, right. First one is tent. Second one is caravan. Third one is houseboat. Very good children. Now once again I will explain it on the board. Okay. Temporary houses. Tent, caravan. Next one is houseboat. Okay. Tent. Tent is made up of a thick cloth. What is that cloth is called as? Canvas. Okay. Thick cloth. Okay children, tent is made up of a thick cloth or plastic sheets. Okay children, what is the thick cloth called as? It is called as canvas. We can fold the tent, okay. We can tie that tent and we can take it from one place to another place. Okay, do you understand about tent? Come on, let's see about caravan. Okay. Caravan is also called as house on wheels. Okay, what is the other name for caravan? House on wheels. Okay children, so it is drawn by animals. How it will move? Will drawn by animals in olden days. Examples for that, bullock carts, cart carts. Okay children, these are the examples which were drawn by animals, but it will go on wheels. Okay, in this caravan there are 3 rooms. What are the 3 rooms? Kitchen, washroom and sleeping room. Sleeping room is nothing but bedroom. Okay. Okay children? Yes. Now houseboat. It is built with wood. Okay. How it is built? With a wood. Okay children. It is a boat. In boat what is there is called house will be there. That's why it is called houseboat. Okay children. Where we can see these houseboats? In Kerala and Kashmir. Okay children, lakes of Kerala and Kashmir. Okay. Now points to remember. What are the points to remember? What are the main points in this lesson? Come, let's see. House gives us safety and shelter. This is the main point. Okay. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, thieves and animals. Okay. Third point. Two types of houses are there. Kacha house and Pakka house. Okay children? Come, we will read once. Okay? Read with me. House gives us safety and shelter. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, thieves and animals. Okay? There are two types of houses. Okay? Kacha house, Pakka house. Okay children, do you understand the topic today? What is our topic? House. Okay, in that we discuss types of houses, Kacha house, Pakka house. Okay, it is also called as permanent houses, temporary houses. We discuss examples of houses also and where we can see that houses. Okay, I hope you understand the lesson. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.